If g of x is equal to x plus 3 over 2 and f of x is equal to g of x plus 6, then what is f of 9? In a function, the value inside of the parentheses is our input, in this case our x value. So all we have to do is plug 9 into all of the x variables in the f of x equation for f of 9. So let's do that. F of 9 is going to be equal to g of 9 plus 6. And then now we have to evaluate g of 9. Again, 9 is our input in the g of x equation. So again, we just plug it in. G of 9 is just going to be equal to 9 plus 3 divided by 2. 9 plus 3 is 12 divided by 2 is 6. So we plug it back into this equation over here. We know that g of 9 is 6. So we do 6 plus 6, which is 12, and that is going to be the value of f of 9. So B is the answer. Now let's see if you're actually smarter than a 5th grader. If you think you actually have it down, try this out. Same thing applies.